Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the trouble when your touch screen is not respond. So if your touch screen is not respond, what you can do? So the first thing you can do is to block your device. So click on the power button and try to unlock it. And if the touch screen is not working now, so it means that you need to create a forced restart of your device. To perform the first restart, you need to press and hold power button and wait until 15 seconds. Then after that, press and hold to get the power and volume up buttons. Release volume up button when the screen will be disabled. And let's wait until Google logo will appear on our screen. As you can see, Google logo have appeared on our screen, and now we can wait until our device will boot. And cool, as you can see, the touch screen is working now. So I think I have this trouble because of my wallpapers engine is creating troubles with my touch screen. So you need to, if this trouble is repeating from time to time, maybe you have the application that creates these bugs on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.